If you know me, you know that I love color, and when we moved into our house, it was all updated and pretty sterile looking, so here I am transforming our dining room. So the first thing we did was do the board and batten wall on the bottom with this forest green color. It's called Sea Turtle, and then of course I wanted to do some floral wallpaper on top. I'm going for cottagecore vibes. It's just something I'm into right now. In my husband's words, I am in my grandma era, and I'm completely okay with that. If you've followed me for a while, you know that I used to have a pink and green kitchen, and I got a lot of hate for that. I actually turned off the comments on that video because I still keep getting just dumb comments. But lucky for me, I do not let them get to me, and I don't care if people don't like my style because I like my style, so of course I had to do a pink floral in here. I got this from Wall Blush, and it is the easiest wallpaper to put up in my opinion. I think it looks so cute together. I think it goes great with the green color that I chose. It's super easy to put up after you get going. It probably took me around 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I still have some more details I want to add, but I love how this is turning out.